So now I'm going to show you the bird dog. So we start off in the quadruped position with hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips, head in line with your spine on the balls of your feet. Okay, so from here, we're going to start off in a really stable position. So pushing the floor away from you, so protracting your shoulder blades, getting really stable. So if I was to come next to you and like push you, it'd be very difficult to move you. You want to be rooted to the floor. Okay, the more stable you are, the more effective you're going to be at targeting the muscles that we want to work. So from here, you're going to extend right leg, left arm at the same time. All the movement is in the hip and the shoulder. Okay, so I'm pointing with my heel, feeling a strong contraction in my glute. Then my left hand, I'm making a fist. All the while pushing myself away from the floor with my right hand. Okay, and then from here, after about a 10-second hold, just going to come back to the original position, just slide hand and knee against the floor, and then back out again. Same position. So the spine shouldn't be moving, the spine should be staying in the same position throughout the movement. Come back, sweep the floor, and then out again. So with all the reps on one side, and then go to the other side.